Alright, hello everybody. I need to show you something here. You see this button? This button that you're looking at right here is my thyssenkrupp Halo Vandal Resistant button. And I think you know who gave it to me, right? That's right. The thyssenkrupp Safety Ambassadors. They are very awesome to give me this button. They even give me other parts, but today I'm only showing the button, this button. You can see I can press it. It's actually vandal resistant, so it's stuck firmly. And it lights up too. It lights up blue. And here's the back. There's the logo. See? Looks nice, huh? See the button? This is the button. I really like how it lights up blue. Yeah, it was given to me by the Safety Ambassadors. Sasha Bailey and thyssenkrupp Elevators were very thankful to give me this. This really means a lot to them. So yeah, Sasha and the thyssenkrupp TK Elevators, thanks so much for this button. I really appreciate it, guys. This is just so cool. That's my other collection, but I'm only showing this. So, let's press it one more time and then I'll stop the camera. I'll show you a view of it. Alright, that'll be it.